Start. The respondent number 1 herein appeared as a private candidate in the intermediate examination conducted by UP Board of High Schools and Intermediate Education from Janta Inter College, Azamgarh, UP. His result was withheld. A provisional mark sheet was purported to have been issued to him without showing that his result for intermediate examination had been withheld. On the basis of the said purported provisional mark sheet, he perused further studies and completed his graduation, as also post-graduation. He was also employed as a teacher. The principal of the college informed him that his result in the intermediate examination has been cancelled. Questioning the said order, a writ petition was filed. The said petition was allowed by a learned single judge of the High Court. Aggrieved, the petitioner herein preferred a special appeal before a division bench, which was summarily dismissed. The petitioner herein approached this court under Article 136 of the Constitution of India in Civil Appeal number 4034 of 2001, arising out of the said special leave petition. This court, in its judgment dated 3/9/2003, while allowing the same, made the aforementioned observations. Indisputably, taking advantage of the said observations, the respondent contemner number 1 filed an application on 28/9/2003 before the contemner respondent number 2 with a prayer to permit him to appear at the intermediate examination as a private candidate. No action was taken thereupon. He filed a writ petition before the Allahabad High Court, and the same was finally disposed of with the direction to the Secretary of UP Board of High Schools and Intermediate Education, Allahabad, to pass suitable order on the application of the petitioner dated 28/9/2003 in accordance with. It is not in dispute that there does not exist any rule permitting a candidate to appear at an examination at a later point of time, and that too as a private candidate. Relying on or on the basis of the said purported observations by the High Court of Allahabad, a certificate was issued by contemner respondent number 2 on or about 14/5/2004, in terms whereof respondent number 1 is said to have passed the said intermediate examination and was placed in second division. Individual marks in individual subjects, however, were not assigned. It is admitted to the petitioner that he did not appear in the examination again and is again trying to play fraud with the system by making false representation. The District Inspector of Schools has found that the Supreme Court had dismissed the matter, and thus the petitioner is not entitled to any benefit of reinstatement in service and payment of salary and other service benefits. The petitioner cannot be permitted to pollute the system any further with the finding of fraud concluded against him by Supreme Court, that he is not entitled to any equitable relief from this court. That writ petition is accordingly dismissed with cost of rupees 10,000, of which shall be recovered by District Magistrate Azamgarh from the petitioner. In compliance of the order passed by the Honorable High Court, the decision was taken in the meeting of the Examination Board held on 20/11/2004, that the result of Sri Mahendra Pratap Yadav, bearing roll number 575203, examinee of intermediate examination 1984, should be immediately cancelled, and the original mark sheets and certificate of intermediate examination 1984 issued to him by the board should be returned immediately as per the requirement. Legal proceedings should be initiated for obtaining mark sheet and certificate. The information about the decision of the committee should be immediately sent to the concerned persons by the special messenger. Stop.